Dave.
Thank you, Allie. Banning smoking in public places is one thing, but in the privacy of your own home, can they do that? Well, they just did in Belmont, California. That's where you can be fined and even tossed out if you don't take your cigarette outside. Sounds like a case for former prosecutor and Fox News legal analyst Lise Wheel and Chip Merlin, a criminal defense attorney. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dave.
Good morning, Lise. I'm all for cutting out public, smoking in restaurants and bars, and this seems crazy. This is a woman who they're not allowing to smoke in her own home.
Right.
Too far?
Absolutely. I mean, smoking still is legal, and smoking in your home should be legal. I mean, it's your private property. She rented or bought this place. There were no rules against smoking. It's not like she went into an apartment with a, no smoking policy. I got that if you sign up for that. And then all of a sudden, bam, you can't smoke in your own place? Come on, that's just not right. If you want to ban it on the beaches or the restaurants, that's okay. But in your own home, your castle is your own home. She's not doing anything illegal here, guys.
Chip, what do you think?
Well, we're going to find that these laws are going to come out more and more often because the American Lung Society, the American Cancer Society have come out and have indicated there are no safe levels of smoking. The truth is, secondhand smoke is killing over 50,000 Americans every single year, and smokers got to start taking personal responsibility not to do harm to their friends and neighbors, and that's what these types of laws are attempting to do.
We've heard from both sides. Real quick, let's hear from the woman who actually cannot smoke in her own home. Here she is on Fox and Friends earlier this week.
My reaction is horror. What have we come to here when 5 people on a 3-2 vote can dictate illegal activity in my own home?
Okay, Lise, what is the legal right to take that away?
There is no legal right. That's the problem. This is unconstitutional. It's a violation of her privacy in her own apartment. And look, you got to realize, I mean, think about it, guys. I mean, your neighbors, right? They in an apartment, they cook the bacon too long or they burn the toast or whatever, and it stinks, all right? I mean, I'm making exactly outlaw the stinkiness. Yeah. Legislating, you cannot legislate everything. Work it out with your neighbors. Don't pass laws against something that's legal in your own home.
Will this stand up, Chip?
Sometimes we all say, and my colleague here, if you don't have the law, just pound on the facts, and there is no law supporting what she just said. There is no smoking is not mentioned in smoking's not mentioned in the Constitution whatsoever. There's no fundamental right to be able to smoke. You have a fundamental right to who you marry, if you're going to have children, and what you do with respect to sex in your bedroom. But the courts have never recognized that there is a legal right to smoke, and there's been no courts that have upheld a smoker's right to smoke.
You're totally missing. You have a fundamental right to do what is legal in your own home. Smoking is legal.
This is her private property. You never have
the government can't intrude into that.
We could go another 5 minutes. Chip Merlin.
Dave, you never have a fundamental right to kill somebody.
Oh, Chip. Chip,
that's illegal.
You just drove Lise to go get a cigarette.
Yeah, I got to get a cigarette.
Chip Merlin, Lise Wheel, thank you both. It is a terrific debate. Are you rooting for the Cardinals with the red dress tomorrow?
Is that it? Yeah, sure, I guess. Is there a Super Bowl? I'm with Alice, and I didn't quite know. I want the food. The salsa.
That's all that really
I'm with the chips.
All right, thank you both. Let's get